Hello everyone. Today on our YouTube channel Maths Hub we are going to start a new topic which is complex numbers. First topic there comes what is complex numbers. It can be written in the form of z is equals to a plus bi, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part and I stands for iota. Examples of complex numbers can be taken as 3 plus 2i, minus 1 plus 4i, and 0 plus 5i. This 0 plus 5i is considered as purely imaginary. And another example, 7 plus 0i is considered as purely real because there is no imaginary part in it, so it is called purely real. Now next comes complex numbers. By Venn diagram we can show that complex numbers consist of all types of number: real number, rational, pure, irrational, and these all types of numbers come under complex numbers. Now next is power of iota. Power of iota. Iota to the power 1 is iota, and iota square is equals to minus 1. Iota cube is minus iota, and iota to the power 4 is 1. Here we can remember that 1 gives iota, 2 gives minus 1, and 3 gives minus iota, and 0 gives 1. There are some key properties. The power of iota repeats in a cycle of 4. It is fundamental property of iota. Here you can see by this that how we have denoted them. Now next topic. Here are some examples and operations. Some addition, subtraction, multiplication and conjugates. Addition, we can simply add them and it will give the complex number. Then we can simply subtract and it will give the complex number, and by multiplying we will get the quadratic equation, and at the place of iota square we put minus 1 and give the complex number. Conjugate, example a plus bi is a minus bi, the conjugate of a plus bi. Now here some key points. Iota square is equals to minus 1, so where we can see that iota square replaces it with minus 1. Now next, here are some of these examples that how to solve them. Now we have taken the using this identity a minus b to the power whole square. This gives a square plus b square minus 2ab. By putting this identity we get our final answer 4 iota square, which can also be written as minus 4 because iota square is minus 1. Now next example. There the question is given that write in the form of a plus ib, which is the form of complex number. Now here is the question: 1 minus iota bracket minus 1 plus iota 6 bracket close. Now here by solving it we do the simple subtraction that how we have did before, then we will get our final answer 2 minus 7 iota. Now next question, 2 plus 5i 4 minus 3i. This is an example of multiplication. Here we simply do the multiplication and we get 8 minus 6i plus 20i minus 15 iota square. By solving it we get 8 plus 14 iota minus 15i square, which gives 8 plus iota minus 15. At the place of iota square we put minus 1, so we get our final answer 23 plus 14 iota. Now next we can quickly recap it. A complex number is z is equals to a plus bi, where iota square is equals to minus 1. Addition, subtraction by combining real and imaginary parts separately. multiplication using foul and replacing iota square with -1. Here are some questions which you can try and comment in the comment box. Try these questions and give the answer in the comment box. Whosoever will do the correct answer, I will pin their comment. Now here is the summary of this whole lecture, that complex number is written in z is equals to a plus ib form, where a is real part, ib is the imaginary part, and under root -1 is iota, iota square is -1, iota cube is minus iota, iota 4, iota to the power 4 is equals to 1. Thank you.